Man. No more. Guys, it's no more. Matrix, guys. No way. These guys are soon gonna die. Oh god, that did. Bruh. Those guys are teaming. They better fight against the teamers. Otherwise they'll just do their thing. First I'll get... Oh, it looks like he killed him. I'll be ending the video soon. Oh, we got Twilight. We got Twilight. And we instantly die. I didn't expect that. Oh, we're about to die. Oh. Okay, we got Nautilus. Now we can't. Let's go and maybe let's try one more time. I'm gonna go on my island. No. 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 I'm parkouring carefully. Oh, I got us in exotic. Well, okay. Zoom in. Diabolic. Now, what do we get? Diabolic. Okay, let's just AFK. Oh, not a... Someone just got Twilight. Did that... Yeah, that guy got Twilight. These guys hate RGs. Why are they hating? Just go straight into the fight. Now we're just gonna be like... Now we're just gonna... Oh, it's a Diabolic. Come on, please. We're gonna be ending the video soon. Oh gosh. Instantly yeeted in the void. Look at this banana. 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 I better get away from you. Don't touch me. Don't worry. No. 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 God. Okay, they are actually trying to kill me. They thought. But now, it's time for my revenge. After I get something good. Oh. Now, how about you die? How about they die? Wait. I'm gonna do something. It's Diabolic again. Oh my god. Constant Diabolic. You know what? Come here. Yeet. Die. Yeet, comet. Nautilus. Banana one. It's the banana one. Oh, the diabolic. The banana one. I'm lagging so hard. Oh, I'm lagging. What? Or are you just all frozen? It's still okay. We own Killstreak, diabolic. Command. No. How about we die to the diamond? How about I do this? Then I'm in low health. Will that help me? No. That will not help me. It's a question mark, question mark, question mark. I don't know who exactly is a question mark, question mark. I'm nearly gonna end the video. Only like 5 more minutes. Only. Oh my gosh. I choose magic phase that far. Okay, what? Oh! Someone just got the death phase. I just got exotic straight away. Die. There we go. Bye-bye. I just killed your team. Oh! You will not know that I'm... Oh. Oh, he's like... Hey, no. Don't do damage. Bruh. Okay. And there we go. And I'm dead. Okay, Nautilus. The next time I die, I'm going to end the video. Because I'll have to go. Yeah, the next time I die. Nautilus. Come here, I'm naughty. Now I'm another Nautilus. Another. Let's have you. Wait, what? Oh. Okay, I died anyway. I just really want something. Oh, no. Okay, no. I spawned here. Okay, one more time we die in. Okay, bye guys. I'm gonna go now. Let's go down here.